Ned, my friend, please know that the Quickie Mart is there for you 24 hours a day.
Oh, thank you, Apu.
And I'm going to give you all of Maud's frequent squishy points. The boys at headquarters will not like it, but I'm getting pretty sick of them and their Bombay attitude.
Yeah, it's enough there, Pooh.
People, if everyone's going to pick guitar, I'm not going to have enough to go round.
Oh, come on.
But there's lots of other fun instruments.
Out of my way, nerdlinger.
My image.
Give me the strap.
And if everyone's going to pick guitar, there's lots of other fun instruments, like bass.
Okay, not that. Maybe everyone got adopted. Yeah,
Then how'd they get back to Foster's the next year?
because, they were all really bad matches.
Too furry.
Too short.
Too happy. Could happen.
Hold on. What if they were all getting ready when...
Say your prayers.
Oh, Lord, please strike these mountain folk dead.
Bart, listen, we're really sorry. We got lost on a field trip from Springfield Elementary.
Lost on a field trip? Heck, why'd you say so? That's how Grandpappy wound up in these parts.
They was taking us to Capital City to see the Nutcracker.
Lyrics are the hardest part of songwriting. But when you come up with something meaningful and heartfelt,
Boring.
will you stop saying that?
But rock stars are supposed to be about drinking and getting drunk and boozing it up.
And girls that have legs and know how to use them.
And why I can't drive 55.
You just want mindless generic rock?
Precisely.
See that drunk girl speeding down the street?
Yeah!
She's worried about the state of public schools.
Boo!
She likes to party, she likes to rock.
Yeah!
She prays that our schools don't run out of chalk.
Or what if Ed invented a time machine?
What does any of this have to do with the picture?
Nothing why.
We're trying to find out what happened.
Miss Francis.
Blah, blah, blah. You drive me crazy sometimes. Can't you get it through your thick skull that
Rules
rules were made to be broken?
Oh man, it's been staring us in the face the whole time.
It has?
They're vampires. See?
Sure, I know Wally. I hate that guy. He ruined every picture I ever took of him.
His name's really Wally?
Yeah, he looks like a Wally, doesn't he?
He sure does.
I am old.
See?
Oh, yep.